Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking few cards for your general energies, your present circumstance, what is your future, what obstacles you are facing today, and what is the outcome. So, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way, you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So, these are for your circumstances, and these cards here are for the future or what will come for you. So, Leos, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, let's start with this card here. We have Six of Wands. So, you are happy about something, or there is something that is going to come in your situation, some changes that is going to make you very happy. You are going to feel confident, successful, and you're going to celebrate something, celebrate an achievement today. Some news is coming to you. It may be beyond your, what to say, maybe your expectations and your wishes have come true, and that is the reason you are truly happy today. And Leos, you need to understand that though you are successful, you may be very successful, people may be appreciating you, but you should never forget the people who have helped you all along till you have reached this place. And we have Two of Cups in reverse. So something beautiful is happening today. It may be in your career, a new offer, opportunity, or it may be in your personal life. Maybe with this person you love. You have a great bond, a beautiful understanding. Things are going in a beautiful way. Though this card is in reverse, it just means that you are moving towards a great partnership, that togetherness, things are going in a very positive way between you and this person you love. Or it may be your situation in your career. You are seeing a partnership or some kind of collaboration. Something good is coming for you today, Leos. So we have two more cards. It's Nine of Cups and Star in reverse. So just like I said, again we have very positive cards here. Your hopes and dreams are coming true. Things are going very well in your career. You know what you need to do. You are having the right opportunities. You are happy for those opportunities. You have that contentment, joy, and things are falling into place. And you are in a very advantageous position today. Maybe though you may have a lot of competition, things are going to work in your favor, and you're going to be very successful in your career, and again contentment and joy in your personal life in this relationship. And maybe you need to be a little careful how you feel. Though you are successful, you should never forget the people who are with you, your friends and family members who are there for you, who are supporting you no matter what. So you must never forget those people in your life, Leos. So we will see more cards. We have Knight of Pentacles and Six of Cups in reverse. So you have good people with you. And if you are thinking about this person, maybe they are very kind, compassionate, helpful to you, and they are a very responsible person, a friendly natured person, or it may be their energy towards you. Maybe they find you very friendly, loving, caring, understanding, and they are wishing good things for this love, and they are a very useful person They are helping you in whatever way they can. And you are expecting an answer, or you are expecting some kind of a news or a change. Maybe it may be in your career. You may want a definite answer in something. Maybe today you are going to get it. You will get that answer even before the expected timeline, maybe some agreements, or for some of you, it may be a gift from someone close to you, a family member, or some kind of an inheritance. You may get it even before the expected time. So, something is falling into place, some changes for something better is coming to you today. So we will see more cards for your circumstances. It's Devil in reverse and Seven of Pentacles. So you have lot of dreams and plans for yourself, Leos. You are working towards your dreams and plans. And with these cards, I see a lot of positive energy here. But in certain circumstances, you may feel a little stuck, or you may feel that lack of growth or lack of some change, or your expectations may not be met. You may feel that way, but you need to understand that all your efforts, your dreams and your hopes are coming true today. But you need to stay focused. You need not worry. Maybe you may feel stuck in some things, in some circumstance. If you feel that way, you should understand that it is just for the time being. Things are going to change for the better. And maybe if you feel without any work, if you feel at leisure, if you feel that your situation is so not happening as you had wished for, you must take this leisure time to do things you love to do. Maybe spend time in your hobbies, or spend time with this person you love, because it may be a temporary thing here, this confused state, or this feeling stuck state. Okay, Leos? So we will see what are the final cards. We have Seven of Swords and Death in reverse. So there are some changes happening today. Maybe though you may have a good opportunity coming towards you. Maybe you are feeling happy about something, confident about some things. You need to be really careful what choices you make, and whom you are with, because your circumstance demands your attention. So you must take time, take it slow. And maybe circumstances are going to go in a very slow way. You need to understand that it is all for your own good, Leos. Everything happens for a reason, and that reason is something we may not understand today, but sometime in our life we will understand the true reason for certain circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.